Hi guys, Cowgirl position made easy. Let's look at the tips and tricks that will help you manage this position. Because I get a lot of comments saying it's painful when I do it. I don't last long. My ankles, my this, my knees. So now here is me bringing made easy. Okay, made easy tips and tricks to enable you walk over this. Okay, so now, but before that, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video. If you're a first timer, please, you are welcome to Life of Me, but don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Okay, click on the notification bell. That way you're updated when I post the latest. You can join me and enjoy the journey. Okay, and then like this video, let me know what you think. I believe it's helpful because this video, someone actually asked me, I've gotten a lot of comments, please teach, how can I manage this, do this, can you do a video on that? So this is me bringing it home. And don't forget to drop your comment. Let me know if this really helped, how it has been helping you, any other idea, anything that you know that works for you that you want me to add to. It is still okay. Let me know in the comment section and don't forget to share this video. Period. So now, talking about tips and tricks. So now, first, cowgirl position is one of the best when talking about lovemaking. Okay, men love it, women love it. See now, men love the fact that you take charge, that you lead the way. Okay, you take care of them. Not only that they take care of you, you are able to do the same. You are able to likewise give him the same energy that he gives to you. There was a time I got a comment on one of my video that I did, someone saying when you that love making is supposed to be the guy giving to you, not you giving to him. When you give to him is disrespectful and then he's gonna hate you or something similar to this. Okay, maybe I won't like really say everything the person said, but it's something similar. And then see, let me tell you, the world is only beautiful when you are loved and then you still learn how to love back in return. Yes, when someone treats you nice, you cannot treat the person back with bad energy and you expect a wonderful answer. It is okay when I treat you nice, treat me nice too. Because as much as I am showing you love, I am being very supportive and friendly doesn't mean I don't need the same thing. Everybody wants good things. Everybody wants to be treated nice. Everybody wants to feel valued. So now this is the same thing when it comes to love making. Men love the fact that they take care of you, and then you are still able to reciprocate to remind them that you see, I see what you do for me, and I'm grateful. So now this is me paying you back with your own coin. So you see, it is okay. This is applicable in but in real life, spiritually, physically. You must learn to give back. When you're loved, it's okay you come back and say thank you and you appreciate. So don't just end up on the receiving end and you don't give. It's tiring. So now let's get back to this, okay? So cowgirl position is very okay. It's beautiful because that way you learn to take charge, you learn to dominate your world, and then you learn to take care of your man. But there's one thing that we forget. See, because you are on top doesn't mean you're gonna do all the job. It is not the final answer. Okay, you can still be on top and then the guy gets to do the job. So that's why I said it's a win-win thing. You take care of me, I take care of you. So yes, so now let me bring it home. Genuinely speaking, there's no there's no tricks or tips that I'm gonna give you or that anybody can give you to enable you do a cowgirl position. You want to learn how to do a cowgirl position, you must be able to practice. You must learn to practice. You want to spice up your relationship life with cowgirl position. Then be able to learn. You must be willing to learn. There's no better made easy trick or tips out there. No, it's about practice. And now the best practice that you can give yourself is that practice that you do with your man. You practice with your man. He should see you every step of the way. See the efforts that you put in. He can correct you because now at the end of the day, now him you dey satisfy, not me. Okay? So now, but regardless, let's consider some ideas, some tips that can really help you and support you too. Okay? Alright, so the first I'm gonna talk to us is about focus on pleasuring yourself. See, most people have this notion, though it's not most people, like, yeah, most people, like say 99% of people feel like when you're on top, you should pleasure, you should focus on pleasuring the guy. No. The main reason why you even get tired is because you focus on the guy. See, when you have a dream, when you have aspiration, when you have goals mapped out for yourself, and you know it's you and you alone, you will diligently run it, even with the pains. You will diligently run it, forgetting about the stress and the ache that comes with it. Okay? So now that's why I say focus more on pleasuring yourself. Now let me tell you the truth. When you are on top, see to it that you are doing exactly what you want to do. You see that way you're gonna move your waist and then your body is tingling. Your body is tingling. Your body they sweet you, showing yes, I like the way you did this. Keep doing it. Forget the guy. Because now let me tell you, see the guy is already pleasured. Just seeing you on top of him, don't they give him pleasure? He's 100% pleasured already. Seeing you on top of him, he's already turned on. Seeing you on top of him, he's willing to even do the work. He was willing to let you lead the way, whichever way. If whether you're doing it well or you're not doing it well, he's excited. You even made an attempt. So that's why I say focus on pleasuring yourself. When you focus more on pleasuring yourself, sometimes you cease to notice the discomfort that comes with it. Now the second one I'm going to talk about, let's talk about the speed. It is okay to sometimes change your speed. Most time why we suffer the way we suffer is as a result of we don't know when to put a stop to what we do. Now let me show you just a quick demonstration. Now this is it. If okay, let's this is the cowgirl position that we're talking about, and I'm talking about the speed. Okay, this is me probably doing it like this, and then at a point I feel my legs are aching. What do? You slow down. Okay, know when to change your speed. Know when to change your speed, and then you rest a little bit. With that time you are doing it slowly, you're able to rest a while. Then you can go ahead and pull it up again. That is it. Be able to change speed. This is what makes love making sweet. Now let's talk about the third one. Let him do the work. Do you know that you can be on top of a guy? You are, this is the cowgirl position. You're on top, but he's doing the job. Yes. The only thing the guy needs from you is for you to position. Before, most time before him too, he will know. There are people when you're with someone that knows you very well, and then you're doing a cowgirl position with him. If you are tired, he knows. From your expression and your body language, he's already knowing that okay, you're getting tired. He will support you. So now it is okay to stay on top and let him do the work. Okay? Let him do the work. Let him support you. Let him lead the way. You on top, he should assist. You both can assist. That's why I said it's a win-win thing. Because you're doing a cowgirl position, that did not say you should die on top of him. It doesn't make sense. So you must learn to let him, at some point, let him do the work. The next one I'm going to talk to us about, let's talk about the reverse cowgirl. Okay, now let me show you what I'm talking about. You know, reverse cowgirl is the part where your chest is facing his legs. Okay, this is the part where you turn. He has access to your butt. The perfect view that he gets at this point is your butt. Now the best, sometimes reverse cowgirl is way more manageable because at this point you're facing him like this. And then most time when you're like this, you tend to go stay like this. So you see, your hands somehow will support you. Your hands. I don't know if you guys are saying. So your hands staying like this will support you. And then sometimes staying like this too will support you. Sorry guys, if you guys are not seeing me, like, so you see, so like this is still manageable. Now, when you are doing this, it is okay. You can, that's why I say the ability to switch position. You can change. When you notice it's no longer conducive, change. And then the next one I'm going to talk to us is bounce. When I talked about this, how to the cowgirl, I talked about how most people feel don't do it well. I talked about they need to stop bouncing. Now let me address this again. See, bouncing, that's why I say switch. When you're in this position with a guy, okay, and then you see you're doing it with him. This is you going back and forth. This is you going back and forth. And then at some point you feel okay, it's paining you. Switch, change position. What do you do next? You can maybe try and grind. Okay, you can try and grind. Then when you do this and then you feel okay, it is becoming, you're feeling the pains or the discomfort, because see, no matter if you keep your leg like this for a while, it's going to pain you. What do you do next? You can bounce. But now when you bounce, don't be too fast. One, bouncing gives men perfect view to see you and see what you do. It is beautiful. Bounce, but don't be too fast. Except the only time I advise you should be too fast, if you see he likes it. If you notice when you're too fast, he likes it. Why bouncing? Okay, but you can bounce. Okay, just to be able to manage the pains that comes with it. Because for you to stay like this for a while, it's going to pain you. So, but when you're able to switch position, you can manage it. If this one is paying you like this, you can stay like this. If like this is paying you like this, you can stay like this. You can even use your hands and support yourself. And then you can bounce. And now the next I'm going to tell you that helps too is music. See, have you tried that part? When you're making love with your partner and the music is on, taking you to cloud 9. See, music goes a long way. You will be amazed that you won't even notice the pain. Just put on cool music that is taking you straight to heaven, where you know you belong at that point. And then you work your way through. You just vibe to it, you know, vibe to it. The next one going to talk about is workout or stretch before love making. Because I don't know how you guys want to do it. Most of you for 15 years now, 5 years, 20, you've not done a single workout. You've not even stretched your waist. And all of a sudden from nowhere, you want me to teach you the easiest way or tricks on how to do cowgirl position without experiencing the pains. Is it possible? I'm not Jesus, because there's a limit to what I can do. And then I wonder why you feel workout is not necessary. It's good to stretch your bones. Work out. Do some things, stretch your muscles. It will help you. You see that there are things that's gonna be walkover. You won't even know how you get these things done. You will do it on your own accord. Your body will just flow with it, as if you've been doing it for ages. And the next one is eat well. Why would someone that wants to make out with his partner, you come and only drink water, and then you want to do cowgirl position? You want to be on top of him and die? You just take water, and probably the man now na ogbonge man wey be 2 hours he never finish. You took water and you want to do cowgirl, you want to stay on top of him. Who is cheating who? And now you want me to give you tricks that will help you. It's crazy, because I don't know, it's not acceptable. Eat well, eat food. Again, it's most time it's all about confidence. You see that all you need is confidence and control to be able to do those things you want to do. Put in those efforts, and then wear the best man. Put on your confidence, control, be on top of your game, take charge of your world, take the lead. Be able to switch position when it's necessary. Because you're on top of him doesn't mean you do all the work. No. Sometimes let him do the work. Tell him if there's need to let him know you're tired. Tell him. Person no die. Now love making una dey do. Hmm? You're not in a competition. It's not a competition. Okay, it's a mutual thing. It's a win-win thing. So you should be able to understand him. He should be able to understand you. So I believe with this trick, I've really given us guide on how to manage it. Okay, on the homemade easy for cowgirl position. So yes, thank you guys so much. I love you guys.